Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy Talk English podcast. I'm Lena.
And I'm Ryan. Thanks for joining us again today.
Ryan, before we start, quick question. What time did you sleep last night?
Honestly, I worked until 1:30 a.m.
Until. You just gave us today's lesson for free.
Oops, that was unplanned.
And that's perfect, because today's episode is about 3 very small but very powerful words in English. By, until, and from.
They look easy, but learners confuse them all the time.
And one small mistake can completely change the meaning.
So today, no grammar stress. We'll explain everything slowly with real-life examples and natural conversation.
Let's start with by.
If you remember only one word today, remember this. By equals deadline.
A final time, the latest possible moment.
For example, please send the file by 6 p.m. That means 6 p.m. is the limit.
You can send it at 3 p.m., at 5:30 p.m., even at 5:59 p.m.
But not at 6:01.
Exactly. If you miss it, you're late.
Let's make it real. Imagine your doctor says, please arrive by 9 a.m.
That doesn't mean you arrive at 9 exactly.
Right, it means before or at 9.
Now, listen carefully. If I say, I'll call you by tonight, what does that mean?
It means sometime before tonight ends.
Perfect. That's why by feels like pressure. Deadlines always do.
Now let's talk about until.
Here's the key idea. Until means continuous action that stops at a time.
For example, I'll stay here until 7 p.m.
That means you are already here.
And at 7 p.m. you leave.
Exactly. The action continues and then stops.
Another example. She watched movies until midnight.
So she kept watching and stopped at midnight.
Now compare these two carefully. Number 1, I'll be there by 7.
Number 2, I'll be there until 7.
They are not the same.
Number 1 means you are not there yet.
Number 2 means you are already there.
This is one of the most common learner mistakes.
Now let's look at from.
This one is simpler.
Yes.
From means starting point.
For example, I work from 9 a.m.
That tells us when the work starts.
But it sounds incomplete.
Exactly. That's why we usually say, I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or from Monday to Friday.
So from often needs an ending.
Here's a mistake many learners make. I will finish this from tomorrow.
That sounds wrong.
Correct versions are, I will start this from tomorrow. I will finish this by tomorrow.
Let's put all 3 together. Imagine this day. I worked from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. My manager asked me to send the report by 5 p.m.
Beautiful. Start time is from, duration end is until, deadline is by.
Now quick practice.
I'll say a sentence and you decide if it's correct.
Ready.
I'll wait by 6 p.m.
Wrong. Waiting is continuous. Correct. I'll wait until 6 p.m.
Good. Next, I'll finish the task until tonight.
Wrong again. Finishing is a deadline. Correct. I'll finish the task by tonight.
Excellent.
Now, something advanced but very important.
Negative sentences change meaning.
Listen carefully. I won't leave until you arrive.
That means leaving depends on arrival.
But this sentence, I won't finish it by tomorrow.
That means you will miss the deadline.
So by in negative sentences often means failure.
Very important for professional English.
Let's make this super simple.
By, deadline, before a time. Until, continuous action, stops at a time. From, starting point.
3 words, 3 ideas.
If you think about meaning, grammar becomes easy.
Now it's your turn.
In the comments, write one sentence with by, one with until, and one with from.
Practice makes confidence.
If this episode helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
We upload real-life English lessons every week.
Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode. Bye!